wormhole, scientifically referred to as an Einstein-Rosen bridge, is a hypothetical topological feature that would be a shortcut connecting two separate points in space-time, and could connect extremely far distances, short distances, different universes, and in theory, different points in time. Most people imagine that a wormhole looks something like this scene from Star Trek Deep Space Nine. In actuality, due to the curvatures of the various higher dimensions in space-time...
Hey, James, you good? You know we're still recording, right?
Yeah, actually, it'll be much easier if we just let David Gyasi explain it to you.
Got it.
It's a sphere. Well, of course it is. What you thought it would just be a hole. No, it's just that all the illustrations I've ever seen, the illustrations. I'll show you how it works. So they say you want to go from here to there, but it's too far, right? Mm-hmm. So a wormhole bends space like this, so you can take a shortcut through a higher dimension. Okay, so to show that, they've turned three-dimensional space into two dimensions, which turns a wormhole into two dimensions. A circle. What's a circle in three dimensions? Sphere. Exactly.
That's a great way to talk about the shape of a wormhole, but the actual theory and application are a bit more difficult to grasp for the layman. However, as Einstein himself once said, "If you cannot explain something simply, then you do not understand it well enough." And so, here's Michio Kaku with some actual scientific theory for you.
Let's say the surface of this water represents our universe. Everything we can see and touch and feel represented right here on the surface. And let's say this is us. Notice that we are stuck on the surface of this water. So we cannot leave our universe. That's us floating on the fabric of space and time. However, there could be another universe located at the bottom of this water. What we need is a bridge connecting two universes.
Water can be distorted into a whirlpool that connects the top and the bottom. Physicists like Michio have discovered that, just like a whirlpool, space itself can bend and distort to form a pathway between two parallel universes, a pathway known as a wormhole.
Now, a wormhole is a portal that allows you to go back and forth between two worlds, but they are potentially unstable. To stabilize them, we need a new substance called negative energy.
Just like an oil-based solution pushes apart water, negative energy would push apart space itself.
You see, this negative energy is anti-gravitational. Positive energy wants to collapse the hole. Negative energy wants to keep it afloat. However, with enough negative energy, you may be able to go right through the wormhole.
Our entire civilization could move from one universe to another through a wormhole. And nature may have already given us the raw materials to build one.
And there you have it. However, the dark energy that Mr. Kaku talked about is, as far as we know, just theory. Nobody is entirely sure what dark energy is. We only have working hypotheses on its functionality.
And now, Staring at Clocks Productions presents 3 things to do with your wormhole. Problems in your love life? Can't seem to get away? Jump in a wormhole. Is your boss yelling at you through a bullhorn inside of the office? Jump in a wormhole. Life in a knot? Jump in a wormhole.